Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 June 2018, 18 of hour, 07 of minute and 32 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is baking soda and vinegar safe for garbage disposals? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is baking soda and vinegar safe for garbage disposals. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is baking soda and vinegar safe for garbage disposals. Start by running hot water through your garbage disposal for a minute. Pour about 1/4 c baking soda into the drain. Flip the garbage disposal on for 2 seconds just to whirl the baking soda inside, and then leave it alone for 10 to 15 minutes. Follow with 1 c of vinegar. Last update December 19, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.